All right, Michelle Drummond is the first black woman to be awarded a solar art commission that will be permanently installed in the city of West Palm Beach, and she has Jamaican ties. There she is. Welcome to Smile Jamaica, Michelle. How are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for having me. Good
It,
morning.
it is our pleasure. Good morning to you. Well, congratulations first. How did this come about?
Well, thank you. It came about hard work, lots of attending exhibitions, exposing myself, and just getting a direct invitation from the administrator for the West Palm Beach Art Life.
But
So,
apparently, you never chose to focus on art until recently enough. What, 3 years ago?
well, it's been in the works. I've been doing art for 23 years. I've been in the corporate industry, and art was an outlet for me. And then, I finally decided to give it a go after coercions from a lot of my friends. So 3 years ago, I said, okay, let me focus, give it a go, and see what happens. And it was very well received. So I just went with it.
Yeah, contemporary mixed media fiber artists. Explain that.
So what that means is I manipulate multicolored, multi-weighted yarn, glue, and acrylic paint on canvas, on and off canvas and wood panel. The contemporary meaning, it's not, I'm not put in a box. It's open to interpretation. It's different forms, different ideals that are attached to it. So that's what the contemporary mixed media fiber artist.
And why did you choose this kind of art? Where did this come from?
This came from, actually was coincidental. I was in a sculpting class in college and I was tasked to create a linear form. And, I was, going up, trying to figure out what, form, what medium I could use. And then I remember just being in Jamaica, these peddlers, the pushcart guys coming around with these brilliant art forms, birds made from yarn or strings and nails and wood. And I was like, oh, eureka. And I created a bust of a female with the mountain in the background with yarn, strings, and nails on wood. And it was very well received. So I went with it and it evolved into eliminating the nails and incorporating the glue based on circumstances. And then over the years, I just, my craft just evolved into where it is.
I've seen some beautiful pieces. You explained abstract. Does that mean you can kind of do anything you want and anything and you can explain at the end of it why you did all of these things? Does that what that means?
Exactly what it means. But a lot of my work is influenced by my experiences here. Sometimes, honestly, it's when someone asks me about it, I can really speak to it. And it surprises me. So it's more a manifestation of my subconsciousness, as you could say. And a lot of my work is really open to interpretation. I create work so it has an impact on someone emotionally and they can tie or relate to it based on their own experiences.
Well, it's having an impact on me. The metamorphosis. Which one is that?
That is the piece that I am actually in the process of creating for the commission for the city of West Palm Beach.
So you haven't decided exactly what you're going to do for them just yet, or you know in your mind what's going to happen?
It's actually decided. I had to present a proposal and my concept to the West Palm Beach Art Life administrator and committee, and they accepted and approved it. And I also presented to the city commission, which includes the mayor of West Palm Beach and the commissioners. It is a botanical and butterfly feature.
Okay.
So it pretty much represents knowledge, the impact of knowledge on change, effective change in the organization, in an organization or community.
Okay. I told you congratulations already, but to find out that you're the first black woman, how does that make you feel? And what does this do for you as an artist going forward?
How does it make me feel? I'm very honored. There's a lot of talented seasoned, experienced artists out there. And for me to be directly invited and selected, it is just mind blowing. And it's pretty much a milestone in my creative career, especially being this young and new to the game. I just want to continue to create my art and have positive impact on the environment around me. And especially, I would, this is an opportunity for me to have an impact on the West Palm Beach community.
It's at the Mandel Public Library, I'm told.
Yes, in the urban living room, which is an indoor space facing the entrance of the Mandel Public Library.
Yeah. When are you expected to put this up? Because you said it's not finished, right?
I just started it. It's going to be a 6 to 9 month fabrication process. It's very labor intensive, and I have never created a piece, of this magnitude. So I'm finding out that I'm going to need every hour, second of that 6 to 9 months to create that.
How big will it be?
It's going to be 7 foot high, 5 foot wide, and 3 feet in depth. So it's a pretty huge piece.
It is pretty huge. Fantastic. Congrats again, my friend. Really, really fantastic work. I know you've been away for a while. I'm not certain how often you come to Jamaica, but you want to say hi to anyone before you go?
Hi to my family. Hi to my hockey family. Hi to great friends. And Azra is going to be going crazy now. Azra Blythe played hockey together. Michelle, Audrey, Andrea, all the people who have actually played a huge role in my life and helping to carve and mold me to the woman I am today. So this is great. My sister, Rose, she's going to be going crazy right now.
Fantastic. Good to see you. Good to see you. Stay safe. God bless you, and continue to do what you're doing. Next time we speak, you're going to have one in the White House. Me just know it. Me know it.
You never know.
All right. Take care. Look after yourself. God bless.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. Contemporary mixed media fiber artist, Michelle Drummond. More on Smile when we come back. Stay with us, please.